Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wells Fargo step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type Wells Fargo into the search bar. Click on the official Wells Fargo website link. Once the home page loads, locate the Log On button in the upper right corner. Click on the Log On button. A login window will appear. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you wish to stay logged in, select the Remember Me option. After entering your details, click the Log On button again. Wait for the page to load your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check for error messages for guidance. Consider resetting your password if you've forgotten it. To do this, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, you can access your account features. That's all there is to logging into Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.